Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Myself Sibani. Today I'll be show one refreshing summer drink that is sweet lassi. I have used very less ingredients to make this recipe and hope you like this. Please give a comment and like if you really like my recipe. So let's start and check out the recipe. To make this recipe, I have taken 3 cups of curd, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, half cup sugar, dry fruits, half cup condensed milk, 3 to 4 cardamom, and 2-3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. So in a grinder, I will mix 3 cup of curd, half cup sugar, 5 to 6 ice cubes, and 3 to 4 cardamom powder. I have not used water here. Now to make the lassi, I will use 2 to 3 ice cubes. Then I will add the curd mixture. Then top of that 2 tablespoons of coconut. Then I will use 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. I don't have Rabdi, you can use the Rabdi in place of condensed milk. Then some dry fruits, and finally 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup and 2 to 3 cherries. The refreshing sweet lassi is ready to serve now. Hope you like this recipe. Please give the comment and like the recipe, and also please subscribe my channel for getting all these new recipes. Thank you. Happy cooking.